get our cuffs? Our cuffs in the back, though.
Let me,
You know it, sir. You feel it.
You don't want to just stay with her for now? Yeah, but I want her
it
cuffs in
says.
the back. I don't trust them in the front like that when she's delirious. Ma'am, step out. Step out.
ma'am, come here. Come on. Just come here.
Sir.
Step out. Turn around.
Turn
around. Feet apart.
I would never hurt you. I
Feet
love
apart.
you.
Relax.
I love you
Relax.
in your
Yes,
heart.
ma'am.
Relax. Grab that stuff.
There's no fucking
Relax.
way I would
Face
ever
the
do
car.
anything
Ma'am,
to
ma'am.
you, harm.
Face the car.
Please. We're gonna have fire check you out too, okay?
Turn around.
They free check me.
Turn around. Relax. Drop your keys. Drop your keys. Steve, you want to grab her hand?
Sir, I would never do anything to you.
Ma'am, please.
Relax.
I love you all.
Please, yes.
Relax.
No
Yes,
fucking way I would do anything to you.
Listen, I needed her to relax. No, you're a little bit agitated, so I needed her to chill out a little bit.
I'm never gonna do anything to you in your heart. They're all pieces of shit.
All right, let's get in my car for now, okay?
They're very checking me.
Grab a seat.
Let's
Grab a
just
seat.
do that, sir.
Grab a seat. Put your feet in.
Sir.
Please, put your feet inside, man.
My wallet?
Listen, you want to get resisting charges? Do you want to do that? Put your feet
Sir.
inside.
My wallet.
Put
My
your
wallet.
seat inside of the car. I'm not going to
They
keep telling
lied.
you. You're going to get resisting charges. This is what you're going to get. I'm trying to be nice to you. You need to put your feet in the car.
They were lied and they were
Put your
right.
feet in the car.
Bless you, sir. Bless you, sir. They lied.
Put your feet in the car.
It's a conspiracy.
Put your feet inside of the car. Do it now.
Oh yeah, I see that hit once.
I came from South Daytona, and I followed this lady the whole time because I work right here. She was going 80 miles per hour down Nova and like riding the dash line, pushing all the cars off the road.
Do you mind hanging out and doing a witness statement?
Yeah, that's
Is
fine.
that
That's why I walked over
okay?
here.
Okay, I appreciate it.
If I walk away, I work right there at Daytona Hardcore. I might have to stop and do a piercing really quick. But there was a white Crown Vic. It was an older man. We had stopped and talked at the light down there at Mason because she almost pushed him off the road like 3 times.
And what car were you in?
My car's parked over here at the tattoo shop.
Okay, but you were
I followed behind her, yeah.
Okay.
And I said it too, as I was passing this light over here, I said she's about to fucking crash again. Because she almost hit like 15 cars coming down Nova.
Okay. You saw her doing 80 plus
Yeah.
in the middle, like right in the middle?
Riding, like she was going all over. When she first pulled onto Nova, I want to say it was at Bevel or right past Bevel. And she literally came across all 3 lanes and cut off every single car. And then went all the way back to the far left lane. It was like riding the line and pushing all of the cars out of the road.
Did she hit any cars other than me?
I think these are the only ones that she actually hit. All the other cars, she was like pushing, like she would get really close to them and they would move away from her, or they would pull over on the side of the road and let her go.
And the person in the back of that car was the person in the car? Okay.
100%.
She can identify her?
Yeah, I see
Okay.
her.
And what car was she driving?
That gray one, the Lexus.
Okay. Hey, ma'am. So I want to talk to you real quick. All right, before you step out, I just want to let you know. All right. So Officer Deep over here, he's doing the crash portion of this whole thing. Okay, so he's doing his crash investigation, which is pretty much already concluded at this point. Okay. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm Officer Avon. I'm going to do a DUI investigation because I feel like you're under the influence of either
I don't
drugs or
care if they brake check me.
Let me talk.
I don't fucking care.
Okay.
Y'all going to hell.
Okay. Well.
You trust
So
me,
here's the
all
thing,
you flirties are going to fucking hell.
Okay. All right. So in any event, I do want to let you know. Listen.
They all brake check me.
You have
It
the right-
doesn't fucking matter.
Okay.
Because when it comes to bike week, all you fuckers
That's
do
fine,
nothing
though.
but help them go from one fucking bar.
They may have brake checked you. That's fine. I wasn't there for that part. But I'm giving you the opportunity. Listen to
During
me.
bike week, you fuckers.
You have the
During
right
bike week,
to remain
during bike week,
silent.
you fuckers. During bike week, you fuckers do nothing to help them travel
I've
from one
given you
fucking
the
bike week
opportunity.
together.
Okay.
They brake
So
check
you have the
me.
right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right
Y'all
not to speak
get
with an
good
attorney
later.
for advice
I
before we
don't
ask you any
care.
questions,
Blah,
or have
blah,
him or her
blah.
with you during questioning. If you cannot
Yeah,
afford a lawyer,
blah, blah.
you will be
Y'all
appointed
going to
one
hell
before
too.
any questions
I
if you
don't
wish.
care. Shut the
If
fuck
you decide
up.
to answer any questions,
You can shut the fuck up.
Yep.
all right, we're done.
Get your feet in.
Drag her from the other side.
You are fucking idiot.
Now you got a resisting charge, ma'am.
Fuck you.
Yep. Stay back. Yep.
You're a pansy.
Okay.
You're a fucking pansy
You have a
and y'all going
resisting
to hell
charge now.
sooner or later.
Just pull her through. Yeah.
You all should know what the fuck was happening. You all knew it. And now you all get to go to hell sooner or later.
Put your feet
So,
in. All right. You can take that.
Should just go based on what we already observed.
Yep.
And just do it as a refusal.
Works for me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a well. I'm gonna put it in my car now.
On the camera or anything. Like,
Nah, you're fine. She's like 20 pounds, not too worried about her. She just gets a little spicy. Yeah, appreciate it. I have to take her to Halifax after this for she's drunk. So. Right? What's her name again?
Connie.
Connie. Hey Connie, so we're gonna go in my car. So I'm gonna transport you. So I just need you to slide this way for me, and then we're gonna go to this car over here. Yep. Come on over.
Sir, they freight check me.
I know. You told me. I understand.
Sir.
But you're still drunk, so we gotta.
I
come
am not,
this way.
sir.
Listen, I'm not here to argue with you. You can argue in court, but I need to take you in my car.
But they freight check me, sir.
Okay, do you want to catch more resisting charges, or do you want to cooperate with me? I'm trying to be nice to you, but at some point I'm going to stop being nice. I need you to come out of the car.
I
slide
want
this way.
you to be nice and understand what's going on in this world.
So,
Are
in
you
order
also
for me
to
to be
fucking
nice-
know it's Revelations 18, sir?
I need you to come out this way.
It's Revelations 18, sir.
Okay. So
And then we let
I'm
this
gonna
imprint your mind.
I'm gonna grab you, and you're gonna come this way.
Okay.
That's what you're gonna do. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Relax.
I'm going to tell you about Revelations 18, sir.
Relax. Chill
I'm going
out.
to tell all of you about Revelations 18.
You're gonna get in this car now.
Fuck you, America.
Okay. You're gonna get in this car now.
Yeah, go sit down.
Oh, I'm the little cunt girl.
All right. Grab Steve, if you wanna, or somebody go on the other side and just.
Can you let me stand up and get in the car the way I'm supposed to?
Yeah. Make sure she's
Hey,
upright.
sir.
Whatever.
Sir, I'm sorry.
All right. Relax.
Sir,
You want
I'm
to try
sorry.
this again? You want to get up and sit down?
Stand up. Try it again. Let's try it again.
I love you all.
Okay.
Let's try it again.
I love all four
No,
of you,
get up.
sir.
Turn around.
Yeah.
Turn around.
And you are the one that's most...
Okay.
Sir,
There we go. Yeah.
Turn around.
Sit.
I've been dispatched for
Sit.
security.
Grab a
I've been
seat.
dispatched for security 5 years.
Grab a seat.
I love and valuable.
All right.
You
Perfect.
understand
All right. Yeah. Flip
what's
those
going
around.
on here. Sir.
All right. Yeah. So the jail's gonna have to search. Yeah, it's not gonna, yeah, she's not gonna. I'm not gonna be able to search her like that. She's gonna fight the whole way. So the jail is gonna have the last word. So. All right. Appreciate it.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Shut it up. You're foul and fraud. Fuck you. Shut you, fucking the female voice making you more fucking mad than the male voices. Because you're a lame ass. You're less fucking strong. You're less than that, and you fucking shut the fuck up with your female fucking form. Because you're less fucking anything than any male form, and you can shut the fuck up. Hate all you fucking females. You can just shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the pile on your face, fucking cunt. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, cunt! What the fuck you are, bitch?
Aiden, I'm en route to you right now.
Good morning. I just got here to the hospital. I'm waiting on security.
Copy, I'm coming from like 6th and Center.
Good morning.
If you have a couple more units so we can clear this there, there's still 2 more inside. You can bring in 5-4. Then my current call, please.
I got it.
6 months, bitches. America. I gotta go. It's all the money you're doing. It's a funny thing to want it. And you did what you did again tonight. You're better than you want to have
What's up? Hey, so she's not like fighting, but she's resisting and she's very highly intoxicated. I'm just here to get her medically cleared for the jail. But she's not gonna really cooperate, but she's also not gonna like try to fight or anything like that. So. She was on this side. I don't know if she's like scooted over or not. Her name's Connie. Hey, Connie.
Nope.
We go out with these gentlemen over here.
Nope.
And,
Just shut up. Don't ever talk to me. Y'all done. Y'all got 6 months in America. Y'all done.
Alright, grab a seat here, Tony.
No, fuck you all. You got 6 months and America's going down.
Cool, so I'm gonna park my car real quick and be right back. Go ahead.
I can walk.
Listen,
You can sit in the chair.
you're gonna sit.
Y'all fucking going down 6 months.
You're gonna sit in the chair or they're gonna trap you to a chair. Listen, I don't think you understand. They're not gonna be.
I know how to walk. Fuck you. You got 6 months in Florida. You're all done.
They're not gonna be
You
as
let me
nice
walk.
to you as we are.
I don't fucking give a fuck. You let me walk. I'm not a retard.
Put your legs up.
You let me walk. I'm
You
not
wanna
a
catch some more
retard.
charges today?
Let me walk.
Stand up.
Yo,
Let you walk.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Why are you gonna have to sit in chair when I'm a retard?
Everybody.
You're not gonna treat me like a fucking retard. 6 months? 6 months, Florida? I am a prophet. I am a prophet. In 6 months, y'all fucking going down. In 6 fuck you months.
Just medical clearance.
Fuck you, ugly face. 6 months, Florida, y'all fucking going down. I am a prophet. So fuck you. Fuck you. You think that's funny, fat ass?
Johnny,
I want you to log away 6 months from now. You're all fucking going to hell.
slow down.
This country's gonna run out of food in 6 months. I am a prophet, so fuck you. I won't.
So,
There's not even $5 billion are gonna keep me alive now.
Connie?
Y'all are gonna be punished for doing this to me again for the what?
C-O-N-N-I-E.
5th fuck you fucking time.
so how much y'all have been briefed on this? But she was arrested for DUI for obvious reasons, and just later cleared for the jail. It's like all I think.
Y'all do this months, sir. You have 6
No
months.
complaint of injury or anything like that.
Y'all got
DUI
6 months
arrest.
and Florida's done. This whole country and Florida's done. Fucking bitch. I think, no, not you're welcome. I hope you have children.
I love our law.
Fuck you, I hope you have children, bitch. Good. How old are your children?
I can definitely charge you with it if you like.
Good. I'm glad, bitch. Because I am a prophet.
Tried to let me.
Really? I kissed you.
You did not.
I would have never tried to fight you, sir. I tried to kiss you to tell you it's the truth. And that's why you felt kissing me like it was the truth.
2.5 hours.
Counsel the rest of them around you. I thought you would counsel the rest of them around you, sir.
But what does she need? My parents?
Just because the jail makes us every time anybody's just intoxicated, they just make us say, hey, she's good to go to jail. Basically.
It's me. I have to search you.
I just need the paperwork.
You're right. This bed is locked. It is locked. Around the rest bed. Sorry, don't let her touch me.
You're under arrest. You're not custody. Let's say she is your police officer. She gets to touch you.
If you grab me, it's going to be bad for you.
I ain't gonna touch you, bitch. I'll touch him, Ben will touch you.
Touch me.
Might not want to touch him.
Remember you said I got a boyfriend at home.
Doesn't matter. I'll like you better than them. Hey! My best friends are gay. My best friends are gay guys, okay?
You have friends?
My best friends are gay guys, sir.
So there was a crash, but no injury on her as far as.
Don't you sit there and be hypocritical towards me? My best friends are gay guys. They ain't fucking bitches.
This is more than alcohol.
But it's not funny. Okay?
Connie, how tall are you and what do you weigh?
Fuck you. I don't like no bitches. My best friends are gay guys.
Say 5'5" and like 135 pounds.
Y'all hear about it?
Fuck you, ain't that fat. Your children.
Switch bars in here.
Fucking fat. Burn. Burn.
See that car right here? That's mine. Alright, stand right there. Keys. Grab a seat. Alright, so we'll be at the jail shortly. You alright? Got it? Okay, cool. Alright, hang tight.
Alright, just call him. Just call him. Mom is on.
Little 20 in the little, or intoxicated as well.
Y'all liars. I
She's
ain't
not like
cooperating with you.
combative, but she's
Y'all liars. I'm not cooperating with you.
So she's not like fighty, or she's just
I'm not cooperating with you. You got 6 months and your America's done. You're gonna eat that ass like you were too. It's fine, come. You got 6 months. It's fine, come. I ain't moving.
Come on, Miss Connie.
I fucking ain't cooperating with you all just destroyed my life and y'all got 6 months.
Connie, remember when I told you that you're gonna be a lot less nice than I was?
You just destroyed my life for lies,
You need to
okay?
do what they tell you,
I
Connie.
will not cooperate with them. You got 6 months and y'all running out of food. Because I don't profit. You'll stop me and you lied about me. 6 months, you took away my license, you destroyed my whole fucking life. So why should I cooperate?
Okay, listen. We don't have more of that. We don't have a road.
You do.
Listen.
No, that's not his job to report officers to my officers.
Ma'am.
You just destroyed my life and I'm gonna cooperate. You got 6 months and you run out of food.
Come on.
And you run out of food, you liar.